Good morning, children. Let us start the day with yoga asanas. Asanas are generally divided into three parts. That is, standing asanas, sitting asanas, and lying asanas. Today we will start with standing asanas. Standing asanas are very useful for those who are having their weak legs, leg strength problem and body posture problem. So it's very good for improving the leg strength, body balance and quality posture. Let us start. The first one is Tadasana. Tad means palm tree. Okay, let us start. Just hold your hands like this. Stretch your body up. Normal breathing. Pull your body maximum up. This asana is very useful for alignment of the body segments. It helps in improving your body posture. Keep holding for 30 to 40 seconds. Keep pulling your body up. Body relaxed but fully stretched in upward direction. Okay, relax. This was Tadasana. Next one is Vrikshasana, that is tree pose. Again, a very useful asana for maintaining the leg strength. Let us start. Hold your left leg and place on the inner side of the right thigh. Body relaxed and stretched up. Normal breathing. Hold at least for 20 to 30 seconds. Relax. Now same with other leg. Yes. Again body straight. Normal breathing, but body fully stretched up. Again holding for 20 to 30 seconds. Relax. This was tree pose. Okay, next one is Padhastasana. It's also called Uttanasana. Pad means pair and hast means hath. Padhastasana. Okay, let us start. Stretch your hands up. Slowly bend down. Keep your knee straight. Normal breathing. Touch your fingers. Make sure your knees are straight. Okay, now if you can touch your palm. Then hold it. You will do some more. You can touch your head with your knees. Again holding for 10 to 15 seconds. Relax. This was Padhastasana, that is Uttanasana. Okay, next one is Ardha Chakrasana. Yes, standing pose. Hand on your waist. Just bend backward. Body relaxed, normal breathing. Hold. Relax. This was Ardha Chakrasana. The next one is Trikonasana. Spread your legs. Touch your left leg with your right hand and lift the left hand. Look up, hands fully stretched up in upward direction, body relaxed, normal breathing, and look up. Keep looking on the roof, hold it. Relax. Now same with the other hand. Look up. Hold it for 30 seconds. Relax. This was Trikonasana. The next one is Veerbhadrasana, that is warrior pose. Just spread your legs, turn both feet to your right side, keep rear leg straight, bend the front leg. Shift your full body weight on the front leg, hands up, go down maximum and hold, look up, normal breathing, keep holding. Relax. Same way other leg. Hands up, go down straight, look up, no more breathing. Relax. This was Veerbhadrasana. Okay, next one is Utkatasana, that is chair pose. Just sit down as you are sitting on the chair. Hands up in the front, body straight. Now sit down as you are sitting on the chair. Keep your upper body straight. Go maximum down. Look front. Normal breathing and hold. Hold as much as you can. Relax. So this was Utkatasana, that is chair sitting pose. So these were mostly standing asanas, very helpful for maintaining your leg strength, body balance, body segment alignment, and correcting faulty postures. Those who have problem of weak legs and faulty posture, they should do this asanas regularly. If you can do it for at least a month continuously, you will find a lot of improvement in your body posture, leg strength, and your body segment alignment. Okay, that's all. Next we will be having sitting asanas.